These men walked into a room. They saw a woman who was completely unconscious. In some cases, she was described as snoring. There was no ambiguity. In the videos, they say that she was so passed out that she could have been dead. And these men proceeded to assault her. Now, where is the confusion on consent?
You have to apply the context of France as well, which has very different legislation around consent and sex than we do in the UK. And France has had a very long and strange history with sexual autonomy, and quite depraved, that they said having sex with a 15-year-old is not okay. Like, that didn't happen that long ago.